Finding a quality estimator is hard, really hard. Just ask a project manager who receives an inaccurate estimate and has to explain to a customer that something was missed during the takeoff and collection. Trifecta Growth Institute's fast-paced 16-hour flagship project estimator training course, The Accurate Estimator, is designed to equip personnel with the knowledge and procedures to capture scope and be an effective member of your project team by setting up project managers. Attendees will learn a logical method to estimating that increases accuracy, defines scope, and ensures quality estimates are produced time after time. Although not a complete list, individuals will learn topics like intro to estimating, preparation, getting set up for success, selling the job, setting expectations, collecting quality takeoffs with confidence, estimate writing for understanding, working with reviewers and adjusters, getting the approval, supporting operations, and estimate handoff. Start your journey today to obtaining a Restoration Estimator certification so you gain a competitive advantage over your peers, enhance your credibility as a subject matter expert, and increase your earning potential. Start your growth today.